How to block ads on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. After you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you can find this settings icon. Click on it. Now over here you're going to find different sections. Head towards the section of Account Center. Click on it. Now over here you will find the section of account settings. Under that you will find the option of ad preferences. Go ahead and click on it. Now click on this option of manage info. Now over here you're going to find different options. Click on this option of categories used to reach you. Choose profile information. Click on each of the option and set it to no. After you customize all these settings, click on this option of view and manage. Now I can remove all these. Just click on remove. Once you customize these settings, you will be good to go. Now you won't receive ads on your Facebook account. Well, this is how you can easily block ads on Facebook. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.